The new IndySoft portal can be accessed by going to portal.indysoft.com and using the same email and password that you would have to access our older portal. If you've never accessed this before, if you are in our system as a user for that license environment, then your email should be fine. You should just need to reset your password on that login screen. If you have any issues, let us know. We'd be more than happy to add you and help you there. Nonetheless, let's hop into the first page that we're already in. If you see at the very top left-hand corner, this is the Download Installs tab. This will give the option to download any installs of the licenses that you own. Upon doing so, if you were to select one of these, for instance, if you're trying to download just the normal software, you would download the calibrations.com installer. Down here, it will dynamically change based on your selection at the top. You have the option to download directly or share links to the downloads. In a use case here, administrators who have access to the portal can click on download and directly download these items. And if they have employees that don't necessarily have portal access, they can share links to download. If you're an administrator, I would recommend downloading the calibrations.com and also the administrative tools. This will give you access to those admin tools that normal employees wouldn't normally use there. But nonetheless, this is how you would access the downloads from the downloads page. Also, you have the ability to look at the release notes for specific versions. For instance, if I want to find differences between 13.1.8 and 14.0.0.109, we can find either bugs, features, or all. Once we hit search, we'll find all changes for the release notes that were either fixed bugs or features that we added for version 14. Being a major release, you're going to find a lot on this page in regards to features. And then it will show videos pertaining to each of these items as well. You also have the access to look at your environment information. In my case, I have one developer environment, one training environment, and two test environments available to me here. And this will show what licenses that I currently have that are activated in my system there. Users, we can find here the users that are actually have access to the portal for that environment. Service hours are the number of service hours available. This is the portal log, in which we can see what users were possibly changing their passwords or sharing links or downloaded a certain installer. Administrators will be able to see this. So this is the new IndySoft portal. Last but not least, we have links at the very top that you can access our documentation page or our support channel here, as well as clicking at the very top to change your password when you're logging in. This will show your current username and the email associated with your account. This is the environment that you are currently under. This is the license number, and this shows you your support expiring and what day it is. Let us know if you have any questions. Please feel free to reach out to us at IndySoft Support, and we hope this helps.